Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can turn off Gemini in the Google app. In order to do so, here we are at gemini.google.com. And while you may think that you would go to the Google app, you actually need to come to gemini.google.com in order to deactivate Gemini in the Google app. So what do you have to do? Well, you're looking for these three lines on the left-hand side, and if we click that, then this is going to open up the menu. And what we're looking for is the option here towards the bottom that says activity. We're going to go ahead and click on activity, and that's going to bring us over to this page here. And from here, what you want is where it says Gemini apps activity. Next to that, you can see here that it says turn on. If you want to turn this off, then this should say turn off. So right now it's inactive. And in order to deactivate it, you would see here turn off. So you would click on that, and then you'll see the screen as it appears now, where it's indicating that we want to turn Gemini back on. But since I deactivated it, that's what we're seeing here. So click turn off and you will have successfully removed Gemini from the Google app. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.